As you can see, the left turn signal blinks fast. The right one is 1 every second. That's how it should be. If we look at the right turn signal, it works, but the left one does not. Bulbs are easy to replace for this. I got these at O'Reilly. To access the housing, to replace the bulb, pull back on the felt. Now, I didn't want to remove that part because I didn't want to break that link there. As long as the felt's pulled back, you have access. And then loosen that cap. This is the main thing that holds the housing for the turn signals in place. So remove that. And then it mainly slides out with two things that you got to do afterwards. Pull back on the felt here, and let's disconnect that power cord. That's pretty simple to do. You just press on the top and bottom of the plastic, and you can see it just comes right out. And then there's that rubber plug there. That has a post that inserts into it. It doesn't insert tight. All that tight is just to steady it. Just pull it out gently. Now, I forgot to show pulling out the bulb, but putting it in is the same thing. Just slide it in. Okay. And then quarter turn to the right to secure it, with a quarter turn to the left to loosen it. And then I went ahead and placed the housing on. I decided to go ahead and connect power up at this point. And snap that into place. Excellent. And now insert that post so it goes into the rubber stop. You want to get it in there. And then go ahead and screw your cap on clockwise. Hand tighten, but don't over tighten. Put the felt back. And now you see the 1 second blink, just like on the right side. And when we go to test, you can see that the light is blinking, and we're all done. Oh joy, you did it.